The aviation program as it stands now with Vance-Granville Community College is a partnership between Total Flight Solutions and the Triangle North Executive Airport. What we seek to do through workforce development is train hobbyists and also folks that have an opportunity to become drone pilots in a commercial application. So we're starting our school with these little DJI mini drones. They weigh about 9 ounces, but they have most of the features of professional quality drones.
This is the first time I've ever flown a drone. I didn't know anything about drones. I just had no clue how intricate it was to try to fly one. So just learning everything about it actually has been very interesting.
I've got a drone that I've had for a couple of years, and I've been flying it for recreation, and I wanted to learn more about how to control the aircraft and also learn some precise movements, and I thought maybe this class would give me some insight into that.
Majority of the students that show up for this class have never had any remote control experience whatsoever, whether it's a remote control car, or remote control helicopter, remote control airplane. And so they've never touched the controls. And that's what this class is kind of geared for, is for people that are beginners. And we'll walk them through from never touching anything to by the time they're done with this class, they're able to confidently maneuver the aircraft around the field. They can do specific tasks. They can take it off, they can land it, they can fly it by the camera, fly it by hand. They can turn it around a point and keep the camera pointed at what they're turning around. So it's pretty spectacular to watch the students progress as they learn, and from the humble beginnings to by the time they're done, they're flying the aircraft pretty well.
I would definitely recommend this class. It's good for someone who's never flown a drone before, interested in buying a drone and just learning how to fly it safely, and possibly to lead on to bigger and better things with the drone.
We're looking later on in this year to approve a program that will allow us to have drone maintenance and drone design studies at the college also. So we see aviation taking off at Vance-Granville.